warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Reza. I'm student at LP3I Business College Banda Aceh. My major is secretary and my class SK26. And I want to tell you about my friends and the characteristic member of the PAC. The character of Sukma is eat a lot and then a lot of money, but she is very stingy.
Raise a cup up for all my day ones. Told me to do things just for the haters.
Secondly, the character of Nufus is humorous and silly. The third, the character of Pita is fussy.
I can love you better. No one else can run with you. I will love you more than do the things that she can. 'Cause I love you, boy, I love you.
Finally, the character of Tasha is stylish and good. Good and stylish.
Can we be friends? Can we be friends? I'm wondering if you got a body to hold you tight since I left.
Narration, clean the bedroom now.
What? Clean the bedroom? OMG! No. Ow! It's sad.
It's okay, miss. Let's go, guys.
Okay. It's not a bedroom, so dirty. The bedroom, what we go shopping. Let's go, guys.
Hey Nupus, what about you? You think you so beautiful? Let's try Sukma.
Shut up. I don't care. This is my life, so what do you want?
Hey, the condition make me hard. It's very hard.
What is fun?
Hey, Tasha, do not be slow to me.
I don't know anything, so what happened?
That the character, my best friend, even though we are different, but we still want the PAC. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.